Yow Masters, welcome to Drip Plus Mocha Barista 101 by DM. First thing to do, grind the coffee bean. I'm using medium to dark roast Robusta. Our grind size is fine grind. I like to use dosing ring to prevent waste of coffee ground. Transfer to the portafilter. I used 16 grams of coffee ground. Tap, then use leveler to distribute the coffee grounds. Tamp the coffee grounds to the portafilter. Before we extract, purge the brewing head. Now we're ready to extract. My espresso ratio is 1:2. 1 grams of coffee ground to ml of water. A volume more. The yield is 32 milliliters of espresso. After extraction, purge again to clean the brewing head. Put chilled milk to the steaming pitcher. Purge the steaming wand before using to remove the extra water inside the wand that can affect our steamed milk. While steaming, make sure that your milk is swirling inside the pitcher. If your steaming pressure is low, you can first create macro bubbles, then convert it to micro bubbles. The texture of your milk must be velvety. The ideal temperature of steamed milk is 155 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. After steaming, wipe the steaming wand with wet towel, then purge the wand to remove the milk inside. Now we are ready to pour our steamed milk to our espresso. You can now make latte art and enjoy your coffee. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow.